Hello everybody, how have you guys been doing? And welcome back to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can log in into your Emirates staff account. So if you are a worker of Emirates, by watching the video, you can log in into your account. And even if you're like a retired worker of Emirates, by watching the video, you can also access your account which you used to have when you were a worker of Emirates. So Emirates is an airline company. If you guys have heard about Fly Emirates, you might know it's a pretty big flight company. So yeah, let me show you guys how you guys can log in into its account. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. Let's move on. First step, you want to search for Emirates Staff login and click on where it says Emirates Staff. Once you click on it, it's going to bring you over here, which is the login page of Emirates. Over here, if you are currently working for Emirates, you need to click on active employee. And if you're a retired Emirates worker or like an ex-employee of Emirates, you need to click on this. So you want to choose if you're retired or active. So I'm going to go for active and you need to click on enter over here. And over here, you need to enter your employee number without the S, all right? So enter your employee number. And then you need to enter your EPIN and use this keyboard to enter your EPIN. All right, so I'm going to enter my EPIN over here. After you enter your EPIN, you need to enter the code shown below. So this is to verify if you're a human or not. So whichever is shown on the screen, you need to enter that. So on my screen, it shows SM8VT. After I enter that, I need to click on login. And if all the information I entered over here is correct, then I should be able to log in into my Emirates employee account. So that's how we guys can log in into your Emirates employee account or Emirates staff account. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye. Until then, stay safe and peace out.